OHK is kind of a factory for cryptocurrencies and enterprise blockchain technology. So we're both a research company and an engineering company.
Phase 1, an introduction to Cardano. One of the best alternatives you need to follow. Proof of stake algorithm, that's Ouroboros.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here, FD7 Ventures, the company based in Dubai who has just converted a few days ago $750 million out of their Bitcoin holdings into two altcoins, Cardano's ADA and Polkadot, are now predicting that ADA is set to hit $20 within 2 to 3 years time, and Polkadot might go as high as $700 in the same time frame. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Prakash Chand, the Dubai-based FD7 managing partner, has predicted that the price of Cardano's ADA and Polkadot have the potential to rise relatively to a 20x within the next 2 to 3 years, which implies that the digital token ADA and DOT would trade at around $20 and $700 respectively, considering their current prices. As reported by Business Wire, Chan's projection is based on his belief in the increased institutional interest in these blockchain platforms and their native tokens. He stated that, in my opinion, these three projects are going to start disrupting industries across the board, from healthcare to real estate to financial. It can be recalled that Chan's funds, FD7 Ventures, have decided to sell off $750 million from their BTC into Cardano just to buy Cardano and Polkadot, citing the prospect of the two blockchain projects. Chand asserted that the two blockchain projects, in conjunction with Ethereum, have a massive potential to transform the face of business across the globe. According to the same report, a company like Tesla, for example, that holds $1.5 billion into their BTC portfolio, will later take a bold step towards diversifying its crypto portfolio with other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Cardano's ADA, and Polkadot. In a statement, another fellow FD7 managing partner, Q Dollar, asserted that cryptocurrency is on the verge of mass institutional adoption, believing that the leading smart contract platforms like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot will play a vital role. He states that, "I'm getting calls from institutional investors who are not even aware of Cardano and its ADA tokens' existence yet, but they are already expressing interest into the native asset." This is all happening as institutional investors are just catching up to what Bitcoin is over the past decade since it was created. So think about this. Bitcoin was created back in 2009. It took these institutional investors 10 years to start putting their money into it. We even have Bitcoin ETFs now. This is insane. We are on the cusp of mass institutional adoption into crypto. I can tell you this, when it comes to Cardano, Polkadot, and Ethereum, the institutional money is not going to wait 10 years to jump in. Bitcoin has given us the proof of concept that built the trust in the market and forged a path towards innovative altcoins to scale much faster. Macro guru Raoul Pal, on the other hand, says that more pain from here is awaiting Bitcoin in the next few weeks, and here is why. In a new tweet, Raoul Pal tells his 417,900 followers that Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, is trading inside a corrective pattern. According to the Real Vision Finance CEO's chart, Bitcoin might potentially lose over 17% of its current value of just around $50,000 as it is poised to revisit support around the $40,000 mark. Raoul Pal is basing this statement on one simple fact, and that is, within 2 to 3 weeks from now, by the end of March, it is going to be tax season. But while Pal is short-term bearish on BTC, he still remains long-term bullish as he still believes that Bitcoin will moon by the end of this year. He states that the time to be optimistic is in corrections, not on the way up. If he's adding to his portfolio, Pal states that he is right now out of dry powder. No cash left, but if I did, I would. Back in December, the Bitcoin bull sold his entire gold holdings to place a huge percentage of his liquid portfolio into Bitcoin and Ethereum. And just a month later, Pal reveals that he is allocating another 5% of his entire portfolio to smaller crypto cap assets, which he refuses to name publicly. One of them though could be Cardano's ADA, as Pal has just interviewed Charles Hoskinson and the interview is set to come out very soon. What are your thoughts on the price of BTC around tax season in the US? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto and I'm out.